What is up, guys? I hope you guys are all doing awesome. Another beautiful day, boys and girls. Another beautiful day, and it's a great day to be outside and of course work on the quad. But today we're doing something a little different. We're going to show you guys how to install these guys. These are tire spines. All right, finally got these in. Huge thanks to Dwight Pollard at Tire Spine hooking me up. We got a full set. These are the rears. You guys can see it's just a foam insert. You're probably wondering, how the hell do we get them in those tires? I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's not too hard. You can see we already did two. That one's in there and this one's in here. All right, I'm going to show you real time how to do a front and a rear. Got to give a huge thank you and shout out to Hyper Wheels. We got our brand new Hypers. Once we get these spines in, we will pop those rims in. We got our mod rings. Huge thanks to B&R Motorsports for providing those. And of course, guys, we can't forget GBC tires. We got our Groundbuster 3s and our XC Masters, 20-inch rears, 21-inch fronts. But today's all about these tire spines, guys. We're going to show you how to get them in. Show you guys the tools you will need. So when you buy these, they do come with the lube, so that it'll come with a bottle like that, which will be just enough for 4. But I highly suggest getting these Tusk 17-inch tire spoons. These actually make the job super easy. Oh, and then you guys will need, if I can find it, for the GBC tires, they do run a little smaller than, say, like a Maxxis tire. The Maxxis are more of a true 20-inch tire. So those, you can generally push those spines in. Once you do get it into the tire, you can kind of just push them right in. But for the GBCs, you will need a little assistance because it's kind of hard once they are in, which you guys will see in a minute, just to push them down so they end up like that. So you will use this guy. This guy makes it easy. I just welded on a socket. I bought this at Walmart. It was like 19 bucks, and this will finish them off nice and easy. So let's get rocking and rolling, guys. Alright guys, we got the rear all lubed up. We got it started in the tire, so now it's time to try to get this sucker in here. These are a little more work, guys, but if you just you know, just go a little piece at a time and use your body weight, I think it helps a little more with your knee. Alright, so we'll try to get this started. Now we can hopefully straighten it out, because you guys can see what it's doing. It's trying to spin, so we need to just straighten it out. I'm gonna try to put a little more in first. I can grab it better with my foot. So hopefully I can try to push this down. There we go. Get a foot on it now. Almost, my boots are almost too big for this. You may need, it may work better with sneakers. go a little more. Almost got it. Try to put a little more in. Kind of let me push it down. There we go, guys. The boot was just a little too big. So we took my boot off, got my foot in there. All right, so now we just gotta keep spinning this, keep this end up. We'll put a little more lube on this half, just a little bit. And hopefully work this sucker in a little more. Staying flat. There we go, guys. There we go. Almost there, almost there. Just cross, oh. Let's say just cross the springs, push it in. Why am I losing my grip? Get all the way. So. I'm trying to grab a little too much. Try over here. Push this off, move. Getting there, boys. I'm just gonna flip this in. I can get it with the jack. Alright, so now it's time for the jack. We'll work this down a little bit to make room for the jack. I am sweating like a pig. See, normally with the other tires, you can literally, Dwight will push this right down, and he can get it a good amount, but the rest of the way is just tough. So, get a little lube on this seam, and then it's just a matter of popping the jack in, and this one should go right in. That's it. That one went in nice. Alright, boys and girls, that's our rear. Definitely a little harder than the front, but we got her in. Alright guys, let's install the rear. I can tell you right now, the rears are definitely much easier to do than the fronts, only because these are dual bead locks, so it makes it a lot easier to push them in. You don't need the longer bolts like the front. This thing will drop right in nicely. This thing in the tire. Hey, come on. Alright, let's get that in. You can do the same thing, just jump on it. These will go in, like I said, much easier because it's a dual bead lock wheel. Slide right in. That's it, guys, and then you just have to get your tire spoons again. It's easier if you get a bunch of them for this. Just line them up in between the screws, and then you can start flipping one, and then it'll come right around. Not a problem at all. Just like that. Finish it off. Alright, and then you can throw your rings on. So you won't need any screws like the fronts. The fronts end up being a little tougher, guys, just because you need to pop the bead on the back, so the inside of the tire hangs off about 1 inch before you can get air to it. So that's why those are a little tougher. The rears are easier to put in the wheel, but harder to put the insert in, so it's a little bit of a trade-off, but it's pretty simple. You guys can see. Definitely, if you have somebody to help you, it'll make it a little quicker, a little easier, but they can be done by yourself. And like I said, if you don't want to do them, Tire Spine can do it for you at the track. You can watch Dwight sweat. See how that rim is nice and close to the tire compared to the front. Nothing beats a nice new set of wheels, nice new set of tires, and we will show you guys in another video. We do groove these tires. We'll show you that in a later video. And we got flat prevention, guys, so we are ready. These are ready for the new machine. I'll show you guys this thing without air. You can see it doesn't even move. Nice flat center. I mean, it has a little curve, but not much. Now you can run these, like I said, you can run them as is, but you will get a little more life out of them if you add a little bit of air. They recommend about 3 psi. You still can run your normal pressures if you want, but if you run at least 3, then it'll just extend the life of the insert. And definitely keep an eye. If you do get a hole, and you can catch it, patch it, plug it, whatever you can do, because if you get a big enough hole and you get a lot of mud and dirt and debris in the tire, you know, that's going to cause a lot more friction on the spine, and it's going to prematurely wear it out. So just pay attention if you do see you have a flat. Try to figure it out where it's at, plug it, fix it. This way you can keep dirt, water, sand out from the tire. And that's pretty much it for these guys. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the rear tires. Once again, a huge thanks to Dwight Pollard at Tire Spine, along with GBC Tires for the tires, B&R for the rings, and Hyper Wheels for the wheels. I will leave all the info in the description, guys. If you want to get the best run flat system on the planet, hit up Tire Spine, let them know On One Wheel 7 sent you. And you guys know the deal. If you're not yet, please subscribe, shoot me a like in this video. If you have any questions, drop a comment. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.